Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to cover a requested topic that we have been receiving in our feedback and comment section, which is how to transfer Google Play money on Steam. Is it possible? Is it not possible? But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our latest content. Alright, so okay, the moment of truth. I hate to break it to you guys, but it's not possible to transfer Google Play money to Steam or any other external platform as they are separate payment systems and do not allow direct transfers between them, alright? Google Play credit can only be used to purchase apps and games and content within the Google Play Store, and it cannot be converted or transferred to other digital wallets or platforms. And also, if you have, Google Play credit and wish to use it on Steam, the best approach would be to explore potential in-app purchases or games available on the Google Play Store that can be used on Steam. But this would depend, guys, on the specific game or application and its compatibility. All right. I also went in the community to check, and shout outs to this user here. Okay. So there's a question in the community about, can you change Google Play card to Steam balance? All right. So well, the answer from Blaze is the Blaze. Shoutouts to you, sir. No, unless you have a store that exchange Google gift cards for Steam gift or wallet cards. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.